Hey guys, so today I've got a video from a company that I've never had anything from before, and it's called Charmed Aroma. So if you watch my videos usually you'll know I'm a little behind from like Halloween time still. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week to kind of catch up. But they did send me some of their Halloween stuff and it's amazing. I absolutely love it. So I've got 2 candles and 2 bath bombs, and Charmed Aroma is one of those companies that puts jewellery inside their candles or bath bombs or whatever they're selling. I think they do like bath salts and stuff too, but they put different jewelries in them anyway. So you can get rings, you can get bracelets, you can get necklaces, you can get earrings. Some of them are sterling silver, some of them are rhodium plated. They're all super affordable. Some of them start from like $9.99 and they go up to like the more expensive ones, like 50 plus, but they're amazing. The ones I've had so far smell literally incredible, and I'm super excited to see what is inside them. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'm going to show you me burning them and what was in them, because at the minute I haven't burned them because I wanted to show you what they looked like first. So I'll show you the candles first. So this is their little card. So it says Charmed Aroma, jewellery, candles and bath bombs. Like I said, I think they do actually do other things. The first one I chose was this one. So this is the Midnight Teakwood Skull, and it has a 925 sterling silver ring inside it. I'm not going to burn this one just yet because I want to burn the other one. I'm super excited about the other one, but I will show you on screen what the ring options are that come inside this, because there's like a few different ones that you can get. So this is what the candle looks like anyway. It's got a golden inside, and I think this is kind of like a glass maybe. I don't know, it's super heavy though. Yeah, so this one's definitely more of a masculine scent. If you wanted to get one of these for people that don't really like fruity or sweet scents, this would be the one. It's really musky and deep. But yeah, I'll put on the screen here now the options that do come inside this. So there is a few different rings you can get. I will show you now. But the one I want to show you first and burn first is this one, because this is amazing to me, like incredible. So this is the Harvest Pumpkin Nature Necklace Cup Candle. So it's this really stunning cup. I don't think it's even showing up on camera, but it's like this creamy kind of, like, I feel like it's got a bit of an iridescent sort of colour to it. It might not, but in person it looks like it has a little bit. And then it's got this golden or brassy sort of coloured vine handle with a big leaf on it. Absolutely love it. If you know me, you know I love cups. I've got so many Halloween-y kind of cups, but I absolutely love this. It's a really big, like, weighty, proper mug. And when the candles burn down, you can use this to drink out of once it's all cleaned and washed and everything. So that is amazing. I cannot wait to use this as a little coffee cup. I love it. But not only that, it smells so amazing. It's like pumpkin waffles or something, like a really sweet, sugary, creamy, pumpkin, spicy, like marshmallowy kind of smell. It's so amazing. And it also has a 925 sterling silver necklace inside it. So that is the little card. It also tells you how to like do it, so you can freeze the cup and then the extra little bits of the candle stuck in it will just fall out, so you can use it as a proper cup. It says you can use it as just a jar or a decor piece if you want to as well. But yeah, we are going to burn this one and see what necklace we get in it, and then I will show you the necklace options, what I could have got in it. There is some really cute ones. So this is 100% my favourite thing that I got from them. But yeah, I'm going to show you the bath bombs too. So they were the 2 candles. Yeah, so I also got 2 bath bombs. So these were kind of a little cheaper. I don't think that these are sterling silver items in here. I think these are like plated items and stuff. But the first one we have is a little plastic black pumpkin, and he's got this fizzy powder up in here. I'm not sure what scent this is because I can't smell it, but I am going to put up on the screen here now what you can get inside this one, because this one had a necklace inside it, so I'll show you those now. And then the next one I got is this giant big pumpkin one. He is very, very cute. It's kind of like a 2-tone fruit salad kind of colour. Does have glitters on there as well. I don't know if it's really showing up very well. But inside this one is a bracelet. So again, I'll put on the screen here now the bracelet options that you can get inside this little pumpkin guy. And yeah, that is everything I got from Charmed Aroma. So 2 bath bombs and the 2 candles. So I'm going to go burn this pumpkin one now, and we can see what necklace we get in here. And I'm also going to probably do one of these bath bomb ones too, so we can see what is in one of these. But yeah, let's go and see what is in the candle. Hey guys, so I have had this candle burning now every single night for hours and hours and hours for like a week and a half. It's starting to kind of burn the sides and get a bit smoky and stuff now. I think I've kind of damaged the wick a little every time I've blown it out, but I'm pretty sure the jewellery is up here. So I'm going to blow it out and we're going to scoop it out and see what we've got. See, I think I've bent the wick, which is why it's burning that side, because it isn't burning this other side. So let's see. I hope, yeah, okay. I know that this is going to probably mess this candle up, but I am impatient. Oh, it's stuck in there so well. Oh, it's way bigger than I thought. Okay. I am making such a mess. Okay, so this is our little packet here. So I'm just going to go and quickly wash my hands because I'm covered in wax, and then we will open this. Okay, so I'm going to have to just put the camera down and open this here for a second, and then when I get it out I will lift the camera up and show you properly. But it's in basically like a big piece of tin foil. Okay, so we have our little jewellery thing out, and this is the one I got. So it does have a little code on it. I think you can go online and see like how much it's worth or something like that. So I will do that later on after this and show you. I'm gonna need 2 hands again because it's all slimy. 1 second. Okay, so I had to move over here because the lighting and like the focus on this just wasn't working over there. But we got a really cute little like pumpkin carriage like out of Cinderella. It's super sparkly. It's got all these teeny tiny little crystals in it. And I did do the code as well for the like appraisal thing, and it says that this is worth $60. So definitely a really good deal because the candle was half of that price, and you get the really pretty cup and the candle and this necklace as well. So it's sterling silver. It's actually a lot nicer than I was expecting. It's on this like really pretty dainty little chain. I was kind of expecting it to be sort of like big and clunky and stuff and look a bit cheap, but it actually looks really pretty. So that is our little Cinderella carriage from the pumpkin, like the Harvest Pumpkin Cup Candle. Okay, so that was the candle, and next we're going to do this little bath bomb. This one has a necklace in it apparently, so I'm going to undo this and we're just going to put it in the sink because I feel like that would be easier. But yeah, we're going to look at this guy. So this is what he looks like out of the packaging. It's super sparkly, and it smells absolutely amazing. It's kind of like an orange sort of scent, I would say. So I'm going to put it in here. Oh, I wanted it to stay the right way around. I'm just going to hold it under the water because it's kind of like floating on the top. And we'll just wait and see what little package comes out of this one. Is that it? Nope. Oh my god, this smells amazing. I'm not going to waste this, by the way. I am going to scoop it into the bath. I just thought for filming purposes it would be better doing it in the sink. Oh, there we go. Is that it? Oh, cute. So this comes in a little plastic tub. So I will go and open this and show you what it looks like. So this is the one that just came out of the bath bomb. Again, super sparkly. Probably not as sparkly as the last one. I think the last one was a little bit higher quality than this one. But it is on a really dainty little chain again. And I just did this code here as well. And apparently this one is worth $40. So yeah, still super impressed. I think they're really pretty. And that is the one that came from the little pumpkin. So yeah, that was everything I got from Charmed Aroma. I will put all of the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. They have got some adorable Christmas ones. They've got like little penguin cup ones now and stuff like that, and a little gonk one. Literally so cute. So they'd make amazing Christmas presents if anyone is looking for anything for a family member or a friend or something like that, or even just a Christmas idea for yourself that you could kind of sneakily mention to someone. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway, and I hope you liked seeing what was inside the bath bomb and the candle. And if you're not already, then please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.